Hello, today we are going to learn about scope of a variable. Scope of a variable means the part of program where a variable will be visible or up to which part of a program we can use this variable. If we declare a variable outside of all the functions, right? If we declare a variable outside of all the function, then it will be called as global variable and the scope of that variable will be global scope. Similarly, if a variable is defined within a loop or a function within a function, then its scope will be local scope and the variable will be called as local variable. Now try to understand local variable and global variable with the help of example. Right? This is function and we have already discussed that if a variable is defined within the function, its scope will be local scope and the variable will be called as local variable. So in this way, s is local variable and s will be accessible within this function only, not outside this function. You can see the same variable s is here, but it is outside the function, so this is actually global variable, right? When we call function, control will go here and the local variable will activate, and when print statement is given, this I love KVUC will be the output like this. But if we print statement after this calling function, answer will be I love Sangathan, not I love KVUC, because this value means I love KVUC is within S and S is actually local variable and it cannot be accessed outside this function. So the answer of print statement will be I love Sangathan, not I love KVUC. Okay. Now same example is here. Within the function we have taken s, right? But this time we have used global keyword. This global keyword makes this s as global variable. Now we can use this I love kvc within the function and outside the function also. So when we call this scope, I love output will be I love kvc because of this print statement. But if we write print statement after, even after calling function, output will be I love kvc because s is now global variable. So how a function will be global, variable will be global if it is declared outside of all the function or if we use